Hi guys, Harry here from Berthon International. We're on board MARGO 2, which is an Axopar 37. She's the sports cabin layout, and she's also the Brabus line, which means she's got all this diamond stitched Nyrox upholstery throughout the cockpit and outside in the stern sun pad, and she's got a forward sun pad as well, so real sociable boat. She is powered by the Berthon 300s, which give her a top end of about 42, 43 knots with the right trim. Sunning day, let's see what she can do. I've turned off the sports exhaust just to keep it quiet.
I know how tetchy Harry gets with all of the background noises.
But yeah, here we are. So we're about 10 knots now. She's got serious acceleration, just easing her up through the revs. Up to 20 knots already. Okay, now we're heading down to Hurst Castle. Beautiful day, really flat, perfect conditions. So we're up to 40 knots already. I've got the auto active trim on, which is a really helpful tool. So you don't need to play around with the trim at all. It's literally, it's an on button and it's doing it all for me. Of course I can turn that off and you know, trim it myself. But yeah, no, just sits really happily. I mean, even in the, you know, the rough stuff, she is handling beautifully as well. We're up to 42 knots now and just sitting really quite happily. You know, everyone's going to be comfortable in here. I'm going to try and do a turn in a minute. Just get past the sailing boat. Bring it down slightly, 30 knots. Now we're banking. Now we're heading back up to the Needles. On the tail of the Sunseeker Portofino, it's kicking out quite a weight. Do one more turn. Turn to port. That's turning at 40 knots, it's amazing. So responsive. Just easing it back into the turn. Bring it back down to a cruising speed of about 26 knots. There we have it. I've done a full walkthrough video on this boat, which is will be live very soon on the listing and on our YouTube channel. Yeah, check it out. Thank you. must be Nick Burnham, didn't he?
Oh, 100%, mate. He's even said on occasions, the sweat patches of your life jacket you've got going.
Really? Oh my god! I told you I was hot.
Mate, I'm sweating buckets
that
here.
one.
Cracking shot, mate. So we're out on the water, on the Axopar, whatever.
Yeah.
Right, ta-ta.
Well, thank you very much. Absolute pleasure.